Configuring BMO travel rewards is a straightforward process that can help you maximize your travel benefits. To start, you need to have a BMO rewards credit card, such as the BMO World Elite MasterCard. First, log into your BMO online banking account and navigate to the rewards section. Here, you will see an overview of your available points balance and redemption options. Next, click on the Travel Rewards tab and select your travel destination or type of travel, such as flights, hotels, or car rentals. You can browse through the various travel options and book your travel using your points. To book travel, simply select your travel dates and destination, and the system will show you the available options and the number of points required for each option. You can also use the BMO Rewards Travel Agency to book your travel over the phone. When booking travel, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, including any travel restrictions or blackout dates. It is also important to have a clear understanding of the points redemption rate, as this can vary depending on the type of travel and destination. To get the most out of your BMO travel rewards, it is best to book your travel well in advance, as this can help you get the best value for your points. Additionally, consider using your points for high-value redemptions, such as business or first-class flights, as these can provide the most value. Finally, make sure to keep track of your points balance and expiration dates, as these can vary depending on the type of rewards credit card you have. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure your BMO travel rewards and start booking your dream trips.